It's simple time! Today, magluluto tayo ng recipe na sigurado akong patok sa mga kids. Let's get cooking!
Simple, simple. Luto na, ha, ha.
If your kids love chicken nuggets, sigurado akong magugustuhan nila to. Kasi it's chicken-based and of course it's fried. Pero this is very popular in the States and it's called chicken fingers. Though ang chicken wala talagang fingers, diba? So we have 1 egg. We start off with 1 egg. And meron tayong cream. So ito yung base natin ng ating marinade. And we add acid. So yung acid natin pwedeng lemon or vinegar. So instead of using lemon, kung medyo mahal yung lemon, gagamit ako ng vinegar. It will just have the same effect. Every time you see a recipe na sinasabi na sour cream, it's actually just cream with a little bit of acid, lemon or vinegar. Look at that, creamy na siya. So I put it here into my platter. Dito ako magmamarinate. I add my egg. Yan. Mix ko together. Yan. And I add my garlic. I have garlic here. Minced garlic. Salt, around a teaspoon of salt and black pepper. So that's very simple, no? So ito na rin yung ating marinade. Ito na yung ating parang paste for our breading later. So just mix everything together. Then I work on my chicken. So what do I have? I have chicken breast here. And yung chicken breast ko, bakit siya fingers? Because it's cut into long strips. So yung gagawin ko, I will just cut my chicken into strips. And of course, we just mix it together. Marinate. So, you marinate this for around at least 15 minutes or up to an hour. So, lalagay ko na yung aking chicken dito on one side while it's marinating. And I will prepare my breading mixture. So, I have flour here. I have cornstarch. So, this is around 1/4 cup of cornstarch. So, halo ko lang siya. Combine. So, the cornstarch will give it a very nice crisp finish, no? And I season with salt. Always I season with salt. Yan, para may lasa talaga yung ating breading. And I add a little bit of paprika. So, this is a base recipe, guys. Remember, ito siya, sobrang simple lang ng ginawa natin na base recipe. Yan, and kukuha ko ng piece and I just dredge it. So, my oil has been heating up. Then now, I'm gonna drop it into my oil, no? And this one cooks very quickly, ha? Kasi, obviously, it's just chicken breast. If you overcook it, it's going to be dry and it's going to be tough. So, what we want is we want it to be juicy pa rin. The key is to move it around. In 2 to 3 minutes, luto na yung ating chicken fingers. And it's done. Look at that. So quickly, look at the color. Because our oil is really hot. So, once you have that nice golden color, it's done. Wala ka nang problema. And to go with our chicken, I'm going to make a very simple tartar sauce. So, what I have here is I have some mayonnaise and I add my pickle relish, a tablespoon of pickle relish. So, this is around 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. I have some lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Yan. Worcestershire sauce or you can also use mustard. Add a little bit of salt. Pepper. Freshly cracked pepper. And I add some spring onions, so you can use whatever you want. You can use parsley, cilantro. Yan. And that's good enough. No, masarap din to with the garlic. And my tartar sauce is done. And we're ready to go. Yan, plate na tayo. Siguradong finger-licking good ang ating chicken fingers. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Did you enjoy this video? Please follow and subscribe to our official pages. And of course, tag a friend as well.